What's going on, everybody? I'm Tony. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Denton, Texas for the 7th round of the TMGP Championship. TMGP is not the normal organization that I usually race with. TMGP stands for Texas MiniGP, and basically it's a bunch of grown guys and gals like myself racing around outside on outdoor go-kart tracks, but also this is a huge organization for bringing up some of the future stars of road racing in America. I'm going to be racing the Grom. I have no idea the classes that I can run in. I have no idea what kind of pace I'm going to be putting down, but I know for a fact that bang for buck, this is the absolute best seat time you can get on the planet. So again, I'm super excited. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of the way suited up, get out on the track, try and figure this track out, and then hopefully not get destroyed by a 12-year-old again. Alrighty folks, here we go. I've spun a couple of laps on the Grom, so I at least know the line, and that this initial footage doesn't look terrible, but this is no CMRA on a big track. You've got so much hard braking, you're shifting so dang often, it's unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. It's a lot of fun though. And the number of like little kids is the coolest thing on the planet. I think there's somebody like right behind me. Sounds like another Grom. It is. Oh, he's so fast. I'm just super slow. I've spun a total of, I think, 10 laps around on this dang track. It's good to know that you can go a lot faster than I am. Well, checkered flag, and we are done. So here's the crazy thing about this organization. So again, TMGP, Texas MiniGP, $35 for your first race, 8-lap race, 20 bucks for your second, 10 for your third, and then $5 races thereafter. I think I'm doing like 6 or 7 races. It was under $100, and that's including my weekend license fee because I've never raced with them. There is nothing that comes close to this. Nothing. This is absolutely incredible. I'm a little nervous about the races because I know for a fact I'm just going to get destroyed, stomped, but it'll be fun. All right, next up, races of sort? I don't know. We'll see. I'll need it. I'll be in the back of the grid. Just race 12, second row, middle. Are there legitimately 3 of us? Legit 3. Yes, I'm guaranteed a podium. This is great. Oh, terrible start. Done. Well, that third place that I was guaranteed, I'm definitely getting because I can't catch her. guys, and that is a wrap. What a friggin' day. This TMGP mini bike thing, you absolutely can't beat it. Bang for your buck. Absolute best money that you can spend, best experience that you'll ever have on a motorcycle, and honestly, quite frankly, kind of safe. I mean, it's not like safe, but it's safer than riding around on the street. At the end of the day, I think I did like 6 or 7 races. I got absolutely destroyed in all of them except for the dedicated Grom race, which I came in 3rd. Yeah, but outside of that one, it was pretty much a catastrophe, but it was still an absolute blast. I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description for Texas MiniGP. It's the coolest thing that you can do. I mean, you saw grown folks out there. Didn't matter if they were 200 pounds, 150 pounds, 8, 9, 10-year-olds. I think the youngest you can be out there is 8 years old. But this is just, I can't repeat myself enough. This is the coolest thing ever. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and pack the bike up, and I'm gonna go get my trophy. TMGP actually gives trophies, which is super cool. But I'm gonna go get my trophy, and I'll be heading out, getting on the road. Thank you so much for tuning in yet again. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button down below. And if you enjoy content like this, consider subscribing. So with that said, I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.